This is brand new kind of camera, one that fits easily into your life.
I hear the same complaints over and over, that they simply look too much like a camera, so they don't fit your living space or decor.
私たちのチームは従来のホームモニタリングカメラの最大の欠点を解決するためにこのHomeHawk FLOORを開発しました。
Even if you're okay with bulky camera, there are other challenges. How are you going to hide a cable and how are you going to mount the product without damaging a wall?
We took the incredible features of HomeHawk cameras. We designed them into a discreet and elegant ambient light. It's so easy to place anywhere in your home.
There is no drilling, there is no cutting, and there is no mounting. It comes in multiple height and multiple colors. Just place it anywhere suits your decor.
Of course, a camera does a lot more than just blends in with its surroundings. We packed a lot of technologies into this small device.
このカメラは140度の広角レンズを搭載しています。この広角レンズとフロアランプの高さを組み合わせることで簡単に部屋全体を見守ることができます。フルカラーナイトビジョンで昼でも夜でもさらに安心です。
And of course, pair it with major voice assistant system or use the convenient HomeHawk application directly. Adjust the brightness of ambient light, check the temperature in your home, view your camera feeds, and more.
バッテリーバックアップ機能も備えているので停電時もビデオ録画できて安心です。またジオフェンシング機能によりあなたが外出している時だけ自動的にカメラをオンするといったことも可能です。
We are so excited to be able to introduce to Indiegogo's community early adopters first, before anyone has access to it. We are so excited for you to be a part of this project and hear your feedback as we are getting ready to bring this HomeHawk FLOOR for wider audience.